Imagine this. You wake up, and your AI has already checked your emails, negotiated a contract, updated your marketing campaign, ordered supplies for your business, and even set up a Zoom call you didn't know you needed. Not just an assistant. Not just ChatGPT giving you text answers. We're talking about Agentic AI, systems that act on your behalf, make decisions, and get real work done. 2025 has been called the year of AI agents. Every startup founder, every Fortune 500 CEO, and every tech investor is talking about it. But here's the real question. Is Agentic AI truly the game changer it's hyped up to be? Or just another buzzword riding the AI wave? Stick around, because in this video, we'll break it down step by step. The promise, the problems, the players, and the future. Chapter 1. What is Agentic AI, really? Let's get clear first. Most of us are familiar with traditional AI assistants. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, etc. They answer questions, generate text, analyze data, maybe even write some code. But they're reactive. You ask, they answer. Agentic AI is different. It's proactive. It doesn't just respond. It plans, reasons, and takes actions on its own. Think of it like this. ChatGPT is like Google on steroids. Agentic AI is like hiring a full-time employee who works 24/7 without asking for a salary. That's why the hype is so massive. Businesses are dreaming of replacing entire workflows with agents. Chapter 2. Why 2025 is the breakout year. Agentic AI has been in the works for years. But 2025 is the first time we're seeing real adoption. Why now? 3 big reasons. Maturity of large language models, GPT-4, Claude 3, Gemini Ultra, Llama 3. All smarter, faster, and more reliable than ever. They can chain reasoning steps and hold longer contexts. Agent frameworks exploding. Tools like LangChain, AutoGPT, Agent Corey Crew, making it easy to build custom AI agents. Enterprise demand businesses are desperate to cut costs. If an agent can replace 10 employees for routine tasks, the ROI is undeniable. So 2025 isn't hype by accident. The tech, the infrastructure, and the demand are aligning. Chapter 3. The promise of Agentic AI. Let's paint the dream scenario. In startups, a solo founder runs $1 million company with a team of AI agents, handling sales, customer support, marketing, and coding. In enterprises, banks use AI agents to handle fraud detection, compliance checks, and risk modeling faster than humans ever could. In healthcare, agents schedule patient follow-ups, analyze lab results, and flag critical issues for doctors. In personal life, imagine an AI life manager that plans your travel, optimizes your finances, books reservations, and even negotiates with customer support on your behalf. The pitch is seductive. Productivity without people. And that's why investors are throwing billions at this space. Chapter 4. But here's the catch. Sounds amazing, right? But before we get carried away, here's the other side. Agentic AI faces massive obstacles. Trust and reliability. Current agents still hallucinate. If your AI forgets a step or makes a bad decision, who's responsible? Security risks. Imagine giving your AI access to your bank, email, CRM. What if it gets hacked? Or worse, manipulated? Legal and ethical gray zones. Can an AI legally sign a contract? Who's liable if an AI agent makes a $1 million trading mistake? Overhype risk. Remember the metaverse. Hyped as the future, but fizzled. Some fear Agentic AI could follow the same path. So while the vision is powerful, the execution is messy. Chapter 5. Big Tech's Race into Agentic AI. This is where things heat up. Amazon AWS Agent Core, building infrastructure for enterprises to deploy millions of agents at scale. OpenAI, whispering about GPT-5 with native agent capabilities. Anthropic Claude, focused on safe, reliable agent reasoning. Google Gemini, already integrating multi-step reasoning into Gmail, Docs, and Search. Microsoft, pushing Copilot deeper into Office and Azure. It's not just startups. The biggest companies in the world are betting billions that Agentic AI is the next platform shift. Chapter 6. Real-world use cases already happening. Let's look at where. Agentic AI is already making impact in 2025. E-commerce. Shopify plugins, using agents to handle customer queries and refunds automatically. Finance. Hedge funds, deploying trading agents for microsecond decisions. Healthcare. AI agents, triaging medical questions before a doctor even sees the patient. Startups. Solopreneurs launching SaaS with 3 to 5 agents running the whole operation. And here, the kicker. Some of these businesses are already profitable, with fewer than 3 human employees. Chapter 7. Game changer, or hype. Let's weigh it. Why it's a real game changer. Agents can scale infinitely. They never sleep. They reduce costs dramatically. They enable one-person companies to compete with giants. Why? It might be hype. Reliability is still not enterprise-grade. Regulatory frameworks are years behind. Human trust takes time to build. The truth, it's both. Short-term equals overhyped. Long-term equals world-changing. Chapter 8. The future. What 2030 could look like. If Agentic AI fulfills even half its promise. Here's what the world might look like by 2030. Millions of AI-first companies running with teams of agents. Consumers with personal AI economies. Each person managing fleets of agents to earn passive income. Governments deploying national AI agents for policy, defense, and citizen services. Entire job categories gone, replaced by swarms of specialized agents. But here, the twist. The winners won't be the ones with the smartest AI. The winners will be the ones who build the most trusted, reliable, and safe AI agents. Chapter 9. What this means for you. Actionable takeaways. If you're a founder, developer, or just curious, here's what you should do right now. Experiment with agent frameworks. LangChain, Creway, AutoGPT. Identify repetitive tasks in your work that agents could automate. Start small. Don't hand over your business overnight, but build workflows step by step. Stay updated on regulations. Laws are coming, and they'll shape how agents can operate. The people who learn this early will own the future. Conclusion. The big question. So, Agentic AI in 2025. Is it a real game changer, or just hype? The answer is both. Right now, it's overpromised, but in the next 3 to 5 years, it's going to reshape industries in ways we can barely imagine. Because here's the truth. AI assistants give you knowledge, but Agentic AI gives you action. And in business, in life, in the economy, action beats information every single time. So the future isn't about asking AI for answers. It's about working alongside agents that can execute on your behalf. And that, my friends, is not just hype. That's the next industrial revolution. CTA. What do you think? Would you trust an AI agent to run part of your business or personal life? Or is it still too risky? Drop your thoughts below. And if you found this breakdown valuable, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who's curious about AI's future. Because the AI agent era is here, and you don't want to miss it.